Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice yellow with turmeric. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You'll also need a half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Begin by rinsing your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch. Once your rice is rinsed, it's time to combine everything. Place the rinsed rice into a saucepan, then add the 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a half teaspoon of salt. Give it a gentle stir to make sure the turmeric is well distributed, giving your rice that beautiful golden color. Finally, add your 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Now for the cooking. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. It's important not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time. This allows the steam to cook the rice perfectly and evenly. After 15 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat, but keep it covered. Let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is crucial for the rice to absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly fluffy. Finally, gently fluff the vibrant yellow rice with a fork before serving. Enjoy your delicious turmeric rice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.